How to make videos like zdak and other meme short creators. First, let's talk about finding the meme image. What I usually do is simple. I scroll through YouTube Shorts until I see a funny meme or a picture that I really like. When something stands out, I pause the video and take a screenshot. That becomes the top image for the edit. Next is the video part, which is the background clip you'll put under the meme. To get this, think about the type of videos these creators use, usually something simple, satisfying, or eye-catching. Once you decide on the video you want, search it on YouTube. When you find it, copy the video's URL. Then go to any safe YouTube video downloader website, paste the link, and download the clip. Now let's move into the editing stage. Open your editing software. Personally, I use CapCut, but anything similar works. Start a new project and make sure the canvas or project is set to vertical with a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then import the video you downloaded and drag it to the bottom of the screen so it fills the lower part. Next, add the meme image you screenshotted earlier and place it at the top. Resize it so it looks nice and clean without covering too much of the video. After that, add your text. This is where you type something that fits the meme, the joke, or the trend you're going for. Make sure the text is readable and not too small. Once everything looks good, your video, your image, your text, go ahead and export your short. And that's it. That's how I make videos like zdak and other meme short creators. If this helped, make sure to subscribe to me.